Chino Trinidad pa rin, kasama si Quinito Henson para sa opening tip.
May pagbabago dito sa starting lineup ng Philippine team. Not give up the foul. It's a 9-0 run here by Ukraine. Wala pa tayong na-score. Finally, si Danny Siegel.
Rosella will rebound. Transition basket. Ayun, no? Rare na rare yan. Opportunity against Ukraine. Again, we're pushing the ball. Trying to create. Siegel will take this one and basket counts.
No? Nakita natin yun in the second Italy game when he collapsed in the fourth.
Naman nung pita yun. Eric Menko has 2 points. Hindi pwede. Against taller defenders, basket counts.
They count it. Ang laro ni Danny Siegel.
Ganda ng rebound ni Eric Menko. Coloring the rebound.
Yan ang importante. Wala silang offensive rebound. Oh, yes! Danny Siegel!
And eye in the sky.
Ang kaibahan sa pro game is that you dump the ball at the low post and then you wait for the double kick.
Ganda ng fake ni Rosella Quinito.
Natututo sila.
Ganda na pasa.
Oh, yeah.
Ayun ang maganda. And Taulaba finally getting the opening.
At para nakikita nila itong Philippine team, lumalaban pala.
Last shot time against si Taulaba. Back-to-back slams by Asi Taulaba gives us the lead. Kenneth Duremdes. Up fake. Eric Menk sets up Kenneth Duremdes. Tumingin pa sa linya. 7 points. Menk gets the baseline. Napitpit pero naka-recover Quinito. And this guy really is intensity personified. Ganda na tapik. Rosella gets 2. And Rosella wisely waits for his teammates. Open is Kenneth Duremdes for a second 3-point shot. And he is connecting. Rosella nating bat net. And that is a 3-point shot, Quinito.
Keeping the ball alive for the Philippines.
Kenneth Duremdes is open. Nating bat net. His third season ni Kenneth Duremdes. At saka ni Olsen Rosella. They give it to Taulaba. Up fake. Taulaba is away. And Taulaba scores this one, Quinito. Biggest lead for the Philippines. A steal by Rosella.
Again, that's what happens.
Rosella in the full race. Rosella will take this one. Basket goes.
Rosella. Fast break 2 points. Ating coaching staff na halos hindi na natulog last night. Breaking down the tape of this Ukrainian
Taulaba na naman sa ilalim.
14-point lead. And the Philippines continuing on the attack. Jeffrey Carriazo with the shot.
Wala. Dito sa mga Pilipino. Ito forward pass to Kenneth Duremdes. He will take this one. Mainit ang kamay. And Kenneth Duremdes. And some patience being shown by the Filipinos. Open is Mick Pinisi. The Sicilian. Slick. Ano ang tawag mo? Slick the Mick?
Mick the Slick. Till the final buzzer.
Taulaba again sa ilalim. Ayan, ang aararo na naman ng Taulaba.
Dito, ito. Almost a steal.
But Rosella heads up play. Ganda ng pasa na yan. And Asi Taulaba will get this 15-point.
Manageable 8-point lead. 13-2 blast. Duremdes again with a 3-point shot.
Pasok. Clutch basket.
Boy, we needed that.
Ayun, tama na. In-adjust na 59-50.
Score 59-50.
And just Jeffrey Carriazo with a penetration.
One-on-one move. Eric Menk. Alahoy na tira yun.
And Mick Macy with a tip-in.
Here's Kenneth Duremdes with an outside shot once more. Taulaba, offensive rebound.
Ayun, ang laking bagay.
Philippines.
2:10 remaining sa third quarter. Spin by Asi Taulaba. He up fakes. Ayun, talagang grabe ito si Taulaba.
Now, nasa penalty na ang Ukraine. Atake ni Danny Siegel.
And he continues to walk sa itong si Danny Siegel. Waxing hat from the outside.
Tabla na po tayo. Asi Taulaba na naman. At yes,
it's been all Asi Taulaba underneath.
Duremdes.
Mainit pa ba? Nako, Quinito! Bukas na tao si Duremdes. Kick out Duremdes. Mainit yan. Mainit pa rin! 20 puntos. 6 na 3-point shots.
Start.
Playing out of San Miguel. Carriazo, floater. Carriazo gets this one. Evsky on 3 3-point shots.
Olsen Rosella.
Naku, binawi.
This is the best game that we have played dito sa ating international torneo sa Sondrio.
Hesitation move but on the fly. Then in some breathing room, again he does this at this 1:58 mark of the ball game.
Well, maganda rin ang pagkabunot ni Joseph Pacheco sa kanya because he plays excellent defense on nangyayari dito. We need to execute our offense.
Excellent move. Ginamit ang pick niya si Taulaba and Siegel. Continuing ang kanyang mainit na kamay. 16 points.
Ito na naman, 3-point shot.
Naku
Pasok
po!
na naman.
34 points para kay Rayevsky.
To go. Laman pa ang Selecta Philippines, but it's just by one solitary point.
Bayan, pinaka-importante possession nasa kamay ng Pilipinas.
This is a major possession para sa atin.
Siegel now going one-on-one. Floats, fires, and may Siegel! First free throw is in.
Pumasok ang kanyang unang tira.
Now, it would be wise na ipasok ito kinito and not give up a foul. Ito
And
na.
it's 2 free throw.
Foul, wala lang pa-foul. Pabayaan mo siya pumukol ng malayo. Naku, naipasok pa rin niya yun, oh.
Free throw shooter natin.
Now,
even if he makes both free throws, it will be a 3-point lead. At alam natin may 3-point shooting itong Ukraine. Important for Rosella to make this second free throw.
Kailangan may pasok niya to kasi Rayevsky pupukol na naman sa labas yun.
Exactly. You can expect them to try to score from 3 points. Oh, he missed.
And there's a shot! El Grito!
The Philippines has won.